Assalamu alaikum scholars. Scholars, today's lecture is about the use of Gaskin statistical tool to find the values of reliability, validity, correlation between the variables and square root of AVE. It is very simple to use. It has one button with stating that correlational table paste at A1 and standardized regression weight table paste at F1. So you need to go to the MO software, perform the results. These are the results. You can see that at the standardized estimates correlations are acceptable. You need to go to the view text button and check that your model is fit. Chi-square divided by degree of freedom, values of GFI, AGFI are acceptable, TLI, CFI, IFI are also acceptable, and then the value of Ramiza, RMS, EA is also acceptable. If these values are acceptable under the threshold values, you need to go to the estimate button, and here you need to perform some functions. You need two tables. One is a standardized regression weight. Click here, click on copy and simply paste at what it says at standardized regression weight table in F1. So this is F1, paste it at here, and you need a second table which is a correlation. This is a correlation table. Click, copy and paste it at A1. He is saying that paste the correlation table at A1. So I am pasting it at A1, and after pasting these two tables, it says that click me. You need to click on it. It is showing you the table in which the reliability, validity, the correlation, these are the values of correlation, and this one is also this one and this one. These are the values of correlation, and these are the values of the AVE, square root of AVE. These are composite reliability, AVE, and these values 0.716, 0.801 and 0.737. These are the values of square root of AVE. 0.71, 0.839 and 0.720 are the correlation between the variables, and you need to how you need to report these values. See at here. Caller, this is the way that you can report these values. This is a composite reliability, and these are the values of AVE, and these are the values of correlation between the variables, and the values under the brackets are the values of AVE, square root of AVE. So the Gaskin statistical model help you to find the values of composite reliability, AVE, correlation between the variables, and values of square root of AVE. So the values of composite reliability must be above 0.7, AVE must be above 0.5, and correlation must be at the significant level of the p value, and square root of AVE is also must be above the value of 0.5. So all these values are under the threshold values, and all these are acceptable. You need to simply copy paste these figures here and paste it in your Word or in your MS Word file or in your thesis in your paper. So this is all about today's lecture. The next lecture will be about how to perform the after checking the model fitness, CFA, and after checking the reliability and validity statistics, you need to proceed further to perform the structural equation model. So the next lecture will be about how to perform the structural equation model in MO software. Shukriya, Allah Hafiz.